In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive shareable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a link that anyone can use and how to choose the right level of access so your files stay secure. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, find the file or folder you want to share. You can share almost anything stored in Drive, including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, and entire folders. Right-click the file or folder to open the menu and select Share. This opens the sharing window. At the top, you might see a field for inviting specific people, but what we're focusing on today is the quick, link-based option, so you don't have to add individual emails. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, it often says Restricted, which means only people you add by email can open it. Click the drop-down in that General Access section to reveal more choices. Choose anyone with the link. This converts your file or folder into something that's accessible to anyone who has the URL. It won't be listed publicly in search, but anyone who receives the link can open it according to the permissions you select next. If you're using a work or school account, you may see organization-specific options. Just pick anyone with the link if it's available and appropriate for your needs. Now choose the permission level. Viewer lets people open and read the file without making changes. This is the safest option for most cases. Commenter allows people to leave comments and suggestions without altering the main content. Great for gathering feedback. Editor gives full editing rights and also allows resharing in many setups, so reserve this for trusted collaborators who truly need to make changes. Once you've selected the right permission, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard instantly. Then click Done to close the window. At this point, your link is ready to use. Finally, send the link to your audience. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a project tracker, or anywhere your team communicates. Consider adding a brief note to remind recipients what level of access they have, especially if you chose viewer or commenter. If you ever need to tighten or loosen access, just return to the same share window and adjust the general access dropdown or switch it back to restricted. That's it. Your Google Drive file is now shareable with the exact level of control you want.